In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off iMessage and FaceTime, commonly known as keeping those blue text messages at bay. Whether you're switching to a different device or just need a little break from the Apple ecosystem, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, grab your iPhone and unlock it. We'll need to dive into the Settings app, which is that iconic grey app with gears on it. Once you're inside settings, take a leisurely scroll down until you spot apps. Give that a tap and then look for messages. That's where we'll start our journey today. Now within the messages section, you'll see a toggle for iMessage. Flicking this off is key if you're looking to stop those blue bubble text messages. You probably know them well. When you toggle iMessage off, it effectively deactivates this feature, meaning your text will now be sent as regular SMS or MMS messages. These traditional messages appear in green and aren't reliant on an internet connection. A handy thing to remember if you're heading somewhere with spotty service or simply prefer SMS for its simplicity. Next, let's tackle FaceTime. For this, go back to the main list of settings. You're looking for the FaceTime tab. It should be just below messages. Once you've located and tapped on FaceTime, the next step is just as simple as before. You'll see a toggle labeled FaceTime, and switching this off will disable FaceTime video and audio calls completely. So if you're planning not to use Apple's calling service, this is the step that ensures you won't be receiving or accidentally making FaceTime calls. And just like that, you've successfully turned off both iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone. Remember, these changes can easily be undone if you decide to switch back to using them in the future. Simply revisit the same sections in the Settings app and toggle iMessage and FaceTime back on whenever you're ready to return to those apps. That wraps up our quick guide on how to manage your iPhone's messaging and video calling services by turning off iMessage and FaceTime. We hope this helps you control your device experience with ease, ensuring your phone works just the way you want it to. Thanks for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tips and tricks to get the most out of your tech. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.